Hello, my name is Emilia, and this is week 6 of my age management case study. And today we're going to be talking about some of the active ingredients that I'm using in my products to help get that desired result. We're starting with pineapple enzyme. This is a great exfoliator for the skin, so we're going to use that to do a gentle exfoliation all over the face. To help firm the skin, we're using things like calendula extract, alpha hydroxy acids, and lactic acid to kind of pair with the exfoliation and firming of the skin. We're also adding some great antioxidants. So we've got aloe leaf extract and blueberry antioxidants to help with the elasticity of the skin. One of the biggest things I see with people who have fine lines and wrinkles is with aging, of course, we lose moisture and the skin gets very dry. So we want to make sure that we're adding a lot of moisture back in. So we're doing things like hyaluronic acid. We're using sodium hyaluronate, which is used to attract moisture to the skin, and then locking that in with serum. But to really help moisturize and repair the skin barrier, we're going in with NAD+ boosters. So things like niacinamide and NMN to help moisturize, but also repair the skin along with probiotic peptides. So to lock in all the moisture, we're doing the Iota Hydration Pump. So what that is basically using products and layering them on top of each other that have similar molecular structures. So by layering these products, you actually get a deeper moisturization and they all kind of work together to hydrate the skin. Okay, so that's just a little bit about the ingredients that I'm using in my case study. So thank you for watching.